Hey everyone, if you've ever struggled with creating clean, professional-looking designs in Illustrator, the Shape Builder tool is about to become your new best friend. Instead of messing around with complicated Pathfinder options, this tool lets you combine, subtract, and refine shapes effortlessly, making your workflow smoother and faster. Whether you're designing logos, icons, or illustrations, it's a simple way to get precise results without the frustration. Before we discuss how it works, please ensure that you have Adobe Illustrator installed. If you haven't downloaded it yet, check out the link in the description. It will take you directly to Adobe's official site where you can download the latest version safely. Once you follow the link, here's what to do next. Sign in or create an Adobe account. If you don't have one yet, it only takes a minute to set up. Find Illustrator in the list of apps and select Free Trial to get started. Download and install Adobe Creative Cloud. This is where all Adobe apps are managed, including Illustrator. Once the installation is complete, open Illustrator and you'll be ready to go. Now that Illustrator is up and running, let's discuss how to use the Shape Builder tool to simplify your designs. The Shape Builder tool is designed to make your work with shapes incredibly intuitive. Instead of the manual hassle of adjusting paths, you can simply drag across overlapping shapes to merge them or remove sections you don't need. It's that straightforward and user-friendly. Open Adobe Illustrator and create or import some overlapping shapes. Select all the shapes you want to modify using the selection tool, V. Go to the Shape Builder tool, Shift+M in the toolbar. Click and drag across the shapes you want to combine. Illustrator will merge them into a single form. Hold down Alt, Option on Mac to remove unwanted areas and click on the parts you want to erase. Adjust the stroke and fill settings to fine-tune your design if you need more precision. With the Shape Builder tool, you can say goodbye to the time-consuming task of aligning and merging paths manually. This tool does the heavy lifting for you, making your design process significantly more efficient and productive. If you haven't installed Illustrator yet, use the link in the description to get it now. That way you'll have access to the latest tools and features. If you know someone who could benefit from this tip or wants to speed up their workflow in Illustrator, don't hesitate to share this video with them. Your sharing can significantly impact how they approach design, and you'll be helping them out. That's it for today. Have fun experimenting with the Shape Builder tool, and I'll see you next time.